What if Samsung has already confirmed the One UI 8.5 beta without actually announcing it? Because that's exactly what seems to have just happened, and the proof is hiding inside a simple app update. Galaxy fans have been waiting for news on One UI 8.5, and recently, a rumor suggested the One UI 8.5 beta program could begin as early as December 8th. At the time, it sounded exciting but uncertain. Now, Samsung may have quietly backed that rumor with real evidence. Here's where things get interesting. Samsung has updated its PENUP app, and the changelog includes a line that instantly grabbed attention. It clearly says, One UI 8.5 has been applied. That's not vague wording. That's a direct reference to Samsung's upcoming software update. This update started rolling out around December 3rd. And while Samsung still hasn't officially announced the beta launch date, this is one of the strongest signals, yet that One UI 8.5 is very close. Now, Samsung does this kind of app preparation before major updates all the time. It usually updates apps ahead of a new One UI version so everything runs smoothly when the software finally arrives. But this case is different, and that's what makes it so important. The PENUP update isn't visible on older One UI versions right now. It only shows up if you're running a leaked One UI 8.5 build. That means Samsung has already optimized PENUP specifically for One UI 8.5 even before the beta goes public. And even more interesting, this is the first time App Changelog directly mentions One UI 8.5 by name. To put this into perspective, the PENUP app received One UI 8 compatibility just 3 months ago. For it to already be updated again strongly suggests Samsung is in the final preparation phase. So, what does this mean for users? According to current expectations, the One UI 8.5 beta program will start with the Galaxy S25 series. The first phase is expected to launch in the United States, United Kingdom, South Korea, and Germany. After that, Samsung will likely roll it out to India and Poland in the second phase. Once the beta is live, users will be able to sign up through the Samsung Members app. Just like previous One UI beta programs, if you own a supported Galaxy phone, keeping an eye on Samsung Members over the next few days is a very smart move. All signs now point in the same direction. Internal app updates, leaked beta builds, and earlier rumors are lining up perfectly. Samsung hasn't said a word publicly yet, but actions speak louder than announcements. If PENUP is already One UI 8.5 ready, the beta launch isn't weeks away. It's likely days away. Now I want to hear from you. Are you planning to install the One UI 8.5 beta on your Galaxy device, or do you prefer waiting for the stable update? If this breakdown helped, make sure to like the video, share it with other Galaxy users, and subscribe for the latest Samsung and One UI updates. Drop your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned because One UI 8.5 is about to get very real.